Hi student, hope you are all well. We are continuing with the half yearly chapter, so please go through it, and if you have any queries regarding that, please convey that. Okay, so let's start today's topic. Hi students, it is the continuation part. So this is the last class we have learnt about the pisciculture. Pisciculture means it is the rearing and the management of the fish on the large scale, right? Now the next thing is that we can obtain food from the insects also. In the earlier classes we have learned that we can obtain food from the either from the plant sources and the animal sources, and that mainly we have got that the animal sources are milk, meat and the egg. But today we will discuss about the one more thing that we eat as a animal sources, right? So see, it is the insects. Insects also give us food. Honeybee is the example of the such insects which generally collects nectar from the flower and converts it into the honey. So it is the example where honeybee, generally we have seen that the attractive color flowers are generally attracted by the honeybees, and then honeybees, what they do, they generally go there and collects nectar from the flower, and after that they used to store their honey and converts the that nectar from the flower into the honey, and this honey we used as a food, right? Honey is also used as a medicine and also for the nourishment. It is how it is used as a medicine, because it can, the people those who are suffering in the too much cough and cold, there the honey is used so that it can give us relief from that cough and cold. And nourishment means it is generally improve our, suppose the skin quality, those who have the skin diseases, in this way. And another thing is that it is also used as an antiseptic. Antiseptic means it has the capacity to kill the harmful bacteria that creates adverse effect on our body, right? So the apiculture means it is the process of rearing of honeybee at a large scale. So what we have learnt, two things. One is the apiculture, that is the process of rearing honeybee at a large scale. So this apiculture is also acts as a profession for many people. And another thing is the pisciculture, that means it is the management of the fish in the large scale, right? Now whatever we eat, either it comes from the plants or the animals, right? Now see, here it is the match the following that is there. See, this is the meat. Meat, see, we are getting from the goat. But egg we are getting from hen. See, I have done the match the following for you. Seafood, it is the prawn. Milk, cow. Honey, bee. Okay, student, please solve this match the following in your book. Now we will solve the true or false. It is the page number is A6. Okay, see, the stem of the sweet potato is used as a food. Yes, the sweet potato stem we used as a food, so it is a true. Okay, sugar cane is obtained for animals. Is it? No. Sugar cane we obtain from the plant. Sugar is obtained from the, sugar is obtained from the sugar cane, and the sugar cane is a stem of the plant, right? So it will be false. Fruit is a sweet, fleshy, edible structure. Yes, fruit is sweet and it is a fleshy. Edible means the part that which we can eat. So it is correct statement. So it will be true. Whenever you will write the true or false, please read the statement perfectly. See, here it is a tea is a beverage prepared from the tea fruits, right? So it is the statement here. So fruit, it is, so it is a fruit is the incorrect word. It is the leaves, right? So tea we get from the tea leaves, so it is the false. See, only for one word the full statement becomes wrong. Please don't do this kind of silly mistakes when you are used to writing the true or false. I hope whatever I am telling you, you are quite clear to you. Pumpkin and broccoli flowers are eaten as vegetables. So it is a correct statement. Okay. So this is the result of the true and false. I am again telling, whenever you will write the true or false, repeatedly read the sentence and each and every word. One word can make a difference. Okay. Please go through it and solve it in your book only. Okay. Thank you.